I'm heading to La Tapa del Coco. Looks like Panama City suffers from a lot of the problems big cities have with regards to traffic and there not being enough road surface. See, here again I'm at La Tapa del Coco for dinner. Let me show you what I have as far as the drink. You should recognize this. This is my favorite drink. This is the Sorrel that I had last week, or about 3 days ago. And for my appetizers, I'm getting 2 of the beef empanadas. And as you can see, there are the 3 sauces. This is the one that I'm going to be focused on. This is the honey berry sauce. I can eat these every day. For the main course, it's this. This is oxtail stew, papacones, and salad.